2014 Dodge Ram. We want to add a fob key to the vehicle, so we're going to go ahead and hit fob key. It's a 2014 Ram pickup. Turn off the ignition, turn on the hazard lights, and we'll continue. That is our current password to the vehicle that we're going to need to program the keys. So let's go to control unit, immobilizer. Well, let's actually go back. Let's go to hub function, key learning. Start. We're going to go ahead and turn the ignition on for this process. We'll just go ahead. All right. All right. Key learning is successful. Do we want to learn another key? We're going to say yes. We'll first take this key out. We'll put our new key inside the ignition. This key currently does not work in the vehicle. We'll put it inside. And let's learn the next key. That is all we want to learn. So before we had 2 keys, as you can see, 2, and now we got 4. We're going to go ahead and show you. Works the vehicle. Starts the car. So we are all set.